Good morning and welcome to another period. So today I want us to look at how to log our dispense error. Dispense error means failed transaction on POS. Whether you use your ATM card on the POS terminal or on the ATM machine, and then the money was not given to you. So that is when you will use this function we want to use now on WhatsApp. So you just come, like, there's a phone number 090 400 2900. Save that number on your phone. So like me, I've saved it. Look at what I save it with. GT Bank. Let's wait for it. So here is it. GT Bank WhatsApp number, the first one. I pick it. So you can see I have done some things before on this. So all you need to do is just dial this. You say hi and wait for it. It will respond. Just wait. It has come. So you click on this menu down, green with the three dots. Having done that, the menu has now has now open. So you see the first one say end chat, restrict an account. Should your account, you want to restrict any account, maybe this one you said lost my phone, you can do that too. Cancel a card. Dispense error. The fourth one is what we are dealing with now. Dispense error. So you click on dispense error and you send. Now you wait for it again. It's going to give you the options. So you see it has come. So please choose one of the following options. So you are going to choose the first one, which is what is our own concern now. Lodge a dispense error. Other banks, ATM/POS, just as I said earlier, right? So you just type one here, one, and then you send and wait for it. It has come. It said to report a failed card transaction, please use the below link. Have you seen that? You can also lodge the dispense error by dialing *737 *52 new band *5#, or lodge on internet banking. So now we want to lodge it here. What happened? You click on this link like this and wait for it. It has opened dispense error lodger. You see that? So you can expand it like this so that you see all that is written clearly. You see that? Good. So now you're going to enter your account number here. Let me see, when did I use my ATM card last and which of my account. So let's go. Let me put. So you're going to enter your account number. Then you can see where they put the last 6 digits of your ATM card. You enter the last 6 digits of your ATM card. Then select date, transaction date. When actually did you do the transaction? All right. You will enter the transaction date, and then you go and put your captcha too. All right. And then from there you click view transaction. So when you enter your account number and the last 6 digits of your ATM card and the transaction date, then you put the captcha too. Okay. The moment you just click view transaction, when you click view transaction, you see which display. So you can see the transactions that I perform using my ATM card, right? You can see them. So now, anyone you want to dispute, meaning the one you want to report that it has failed here, is for you to just come to view like this. You can see that, right? Good. Then it will display. It will open. Once it open, you can enlarge it so that you can see. Now, usually it comes with this bank, because Access Bank starts with A. So it's the one that you see that you selected here. It's not for you to. You don't click lodge. You click on that select bank like this. It will then display. So then you scroll down. Okay, up. Sorry. You can see local POS web. If it is web transaction, you select web. But we use POS, right? Majorly is POS. And if it's another bank machine you use, just look for the name of the bank here. Even if it's GT Bank, any bank, you can see all the banks, right? So choose the name of the bank. But we are going to use POS because it's POS. So any POS at all, you use local POS. If I should click on lodge now, it will go. But don't forget, I did not use the I mean, I don't want to report this transaction has failed. So they won't even return the money. Look at it now. Let me do it so that you see. Case lodged successfully. They will not even return the money because it did not fail in the first place. I just want you to see how it will look like. Okay. So you then see it. Have you seen? So it's so simple. God bless you. Please share this video so that others too can benefit from it, and comment, like, and subscribe to this channel if you have not done that before. God bless you, and let me know any other thing you want me to do for us to that you think you don't know, you want us to still talk about. All right, please let me know in the comment sections. Thank you.